Hello traders, today is the 7th of January 2021 and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Today we had an amazing day as well and banked beautiful pips. Alright, so let me log into the system. Alright guys, so just to recap guys, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. And if you would like to know how I trade live in this platform through alongside with my professional trader, feel free, there's a video somewhere in the video description. Please watch that video. And if you need any help in a trading, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation and my availability calendar link is also given somewhere in the video description. All right, so let's go through the analysis. As always, I do analysis twice a day, once in the morning just before London Open, one in the New York session, and the recording is available. All right, so today I'm going to show you one of my Traders Bank amazing pips as well. You can see 103 and you can see 35 pips on Euro USD. I'm going to go through all these trades. Just before that, we had best trades, and especially in Euro USD, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, pound dollar. These are the best trade we had it today. And let me share with you guys. You can see here in the morning I'm just going to share only a few trades just so you can see here. So you can see Euro USD. We explained trader that in the morning that we have price develop a double top and explain each and everything, and then we did this analysis. You can see exactly this live analysis intraday, and also that analysis broadcast instantly into the platform. So based on this analysis, one of my trader bank 35 pips, you can see here if I click on it. So that's the beauty of the system. Whenever the traders open the position and close, system take the screenshot, and the reason behind it, because we basically give them feedback on their trade in real time. We want to develop their trading skills in real time. So you can see this was the based on the analysis which I just mentioned you. Taken a short trade, that's the entry and that's the exit. Beautiful, as always mentioned, first target hit and then second target 35 pips. Beautiful trades. Trade on Euro USD. And if I show you, this was the analysis. Let me get the analysis. Euro USD, you can see here, this was the analysis 733, as you have seen in the video. Beautiful breakout, beautiful pips, and some of the traders make more than 35 pips. This one 35 pips, and Aussie dollar again 35 pips. If I show you this one again, as the you can see here, this was the breakout trade, and price nicely hit first and the final target. Again, we did analysis here in the system. 4-hour, let me share with you guys here in 4-hour. You can see if you go to the 4-hour, we mentioned that the previous price action, price developed a double top and breakout, and then we should be taking this breakout short trade and bank beautiful pips, which you can see here. I did this analysis. Let me share with you guys all the analysis related to this pair in the right hand side. The system capture all that information. This was the breakout 739, and then we mentioned around 11 o'clock bank some profit, and that's why my trader banked some profit. Then we did another analysis at the New York session, pullback, breakout, and beautiful trade again. So you can see here, based on that analysis mentioned, my trader take a short trade. You can see orange, red, yellow fib channel, and this was the breakout trade. And if I show you here in Aussie dollar, this was you can see the breakout trade as soon as the price broken. Beautiful short trade and bank, amazing trade. Then we have a Kiwi dollar, again 24 pips. If you look at here, this one again, based on the analysis, beautiful breakout, momentum was developed bearish. Again, we were watching in 4-hour this pair as well this morning. You can see here, price developed a double top, nicely respected big psychological number, which is 73,000 area. And then we had this one, nicely breakout and bank a beautiful trade. You can see here, beautiful short trade. And based on this analysis, let me share with you guys. You can see here, this was the pretty straightforward breakout after the breakout and pulled back short trade, but my traders bank only 24 pips. But you can see based on that analysis, then we had it another one, which is pound dollar. 18 pips. You can see here, this was again based on the analysis. This was the analysis at the New York session. You can see 1438. He took a short trade here and banked beautiful pip as soon as the price hit to the previous low. Again, let me share with you that analysis. As you can see, this was the analysis broadcast, and he took a short trade and banked beautiful pips as soon as it. But afterwards, we also announced all these trades through live audio commentary, because we constantly monitoring the price pattern, because we are intraday trader. As soon as the price develop any interesting pattern or any opportunity, trader basically also communicate with us, and they're asking if this is the valid entry. Then we analyze for them and we say that, okay, that makes sense, so that's why we trade. So you can see pound dollar 18 pips, and then one of the trade he made a -9. If you look at this was the short trade. Eventually price went in around 18-20 pips in profit, but he already had a beautiful pips previously. He was expecting a bit more, and you can see based on the price action, price, as soon as the price broke on the recent high, he closed and take this loss 9, which is okay. So altogether he made 103 pips, which is not bad, because normally target for over traders is 40-50 pips a day. Once the target is done, job done. So you can see we had a beautiful I'm just going to share a couple of more analysis. As I mentioned, we don't recommend to our traders to trade all these pairs, just focus only 1 or 2 or maximum 3 pairs. And then once they find the good opportunity, then we tell them maximize the opportunities and take maximum out. But as you can see here, euro yen, this was the pretty straightforward consolidation breakout. After the breakout, pulled back long. This one again, some of the traders banked beautiful pips. We had a beautiful analysis, and on dollar yen we had a strong bullish momentum. As you can see, beautiful pulled back long on even a breakout long, mention all this area. So beautiful trade on dollar yen. Then we had a beautiful trade, another one in dollar Swiss franc. This was the pretty straightforward. You can see we had a very strong bullish momentum. Beautiful, another pullback. Press nicely hit to the first target, and we announced to bank some profit. As you can see, all that analysis, beautiful, all intraday analysis. We keep an eye on what's happening in the market, all the information broadcasted in the news. So that's give us what's happening, market sentiments, and then we analyze in a high time frame and analyze in intraday and broadcast that information, communicate with the traders, and when the opportunities come, we all trade together like a team. So guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As I mentioned, we had a best trades on Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar, pound dollar, and we also had a good trades on euro yen, dollar yen, and dollar Swiss franc. So these was the best trades today. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, I also provide Forex coaching and training through this platform. As I mentioned, you guys, the best way to trade in a real-time live market, where I can give you feedback, all of your open positions, or if you need any help, you can ask me or any other professional trader through this platform. So develop your trading skill in real life trading environment. That's the main objective. So even if you are struggling, I'm pretty sure even if you have a basic understanding of price action, most welcome. You can see all that analysis in real time. You can get the trade updates in real time. Or I'm pretty sure if you are a experienced trader, you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day. All these trades is copied to our live account through this MT4 link. If you don't know how it works, watch that video somewhere in the video description. It will show you how we trade and how our trades reconcile with this platform. So alright guys, so I hope you enjoy this analysis. Once again, thank you for watching this video. And just before that, if you because I'm trying to bring another once in a week free analysis for the public. If you are interested, feel free to subscribe this YouTube channel, and so you will get notified when I'm going to be launching that free analysis once a week. All right guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice evening. All the best. Take care. Happy pipping. Bye bye.